So today's video, I am super late with this CurlBox unboxing. I actually forgot that I actually had this CurlBox. But today's unboxing is going to be CurlBox first time ever toolbox. Now this toolbox did retail for $20. I did have to pay an extra $5 for shipping. So let's jump into the unboxing. As always, you do have a beautiful girl in the front. And pretty much with this booklet, it pretty much explains everything that's going to be inside this box. This is a black-owned company. And on the back, it also lists all the brands from this black-owned company, which is really dope. And this is what comes in today's box. So the first item I see is the Evolve Fashion Silky Turban. This is how it looks. And it's like that cheetah print. This is the back of the box. Now I'm actually going to take this out so you guys can actually see. So this is how the turban looks. It feels like it's made out of good quality. It do have a little stretch. So I can't wait to rock this in some of my videos. The next item I see is a detangling brush. Now this is the Evolve Flow Through Detangling Brush. And this is how the back looks. So I'm super excited to have an extra one. I will be using this particular one on Harmony's hair. You guys should already know how these type of brushes works. I actually like these brushes better than a comb. The next item that I do see is a pack of 15 plastic shower caps. And I'm glad these came in the pack because sometimes it's so hard finding good shower caps that actually fit natural hair. I'm going to take one out of the box and I'm going to show you how it looks. So when I took it out the packaging, this is how it came. This is really cool because I never seen a shower cap that looked like this. I'm just going to go ahead and unravel it for you guys. And this shower cap looks pretty big. Like it will fit a really big head. This shower cap looks really big, which is perfect. It do have a lot of stretch. It don't feel like it will rip easily. Some shower caps you get, you feel like they would rip like along the seam, but it feel like it's a real good quality shower cap. So the next item I see is In the Wild Silky Wrap Scarf. And I like how the theme is like cheetah print. And it is very silky. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out the pack and show you guys how big it is. So I thought that this wrap scarf would be like a square. But it's really like a rectangle. So for anybody who is relaxed and normally wrap your hair, this would be really perfect. But you can also, like if you're a wig wearer, you can also jazz it up. Like you could do a lot with this little wrap scarf. So I'm really excited to use this. And you can tell it's good quality. Y'all hear that? Whenever I hear stuff like that, I know it's good quality. I know it's not going to rip. So I do like this scarf. So the next item we have is the Cheetah Luxie Satin Bonnet. I'm so glad I got this bonnet because I actually need another one for Harmony here. So hopefully this don't be too big. If it is too big, then it's fine. I'll use it for me. But I'm going to open it and show you guys how it looks. Oh, see, this bonnet is perfect. It is perfect. You know when you guys go to the beauty supply store and you get a bonnet and it have that silky feeling on the outside, but it don't have that silky feeling on the inside? This is it. This bonnet is it. It has the silky feeling on the outside as well. And honestly, for me, I would wear it reverse either way. on the cheetah print side or on the black side. I do feel like it's made of the same material of the wrap scarf. So this is actually great. And it looks like it is big head friendly, because you know some bonnets are not big head friendly. Normally the band around normally be too tight, but this do look like it is big head friendly. So on to the next item. Last but not least, we have the gold satin pillowcases. Ladies want to protect your tresses. Sleeping on a pillow, a satin pillowcase is a must. Me and Harmony both sleep on a satin pillowcase, so I'm eager to see how big and how does this actually feel. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So this pillowcase is a regular like standard size pillowcase. It feels like really good quality satin. Like this is not no cheap satin. This is the good quality stuff. It do have a zipper right here for you to unzip. This is really good quality, y'all. I'm really feeling this box. I am going to have to purchase another box for just maybe Harmony separate, but I'm so glad I got this box for $20. You do get a pillowcase, a satin bonnet, a wrap scarf, some shower caps, a turban, and a detangling brush. So far this is one of my favorite boxes from CurlBox. They stepped it up a notch with this toolbox. Maybe this was a comeback for that Ulta beauty box that I really didn't care too much for. If you ladies did not check out that box, I will leave it up top. But that is going to be it for this unboxing. If you ladies want to see more CurlBox unboxings, don't forget to like this video as well as comment down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on all your post notifications so every time I upload a video you ladies could be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.